Here are 10 popular brands that are often lucrative for reselling, along with a brief overview of why they're appealing. 1. Nike. Why resell? High demand for sneakers, especially limited editions and collaborations. The sneaker resale market is thriving. 2. Supreme. Why resell? Limited releases create hype, leading to significant markups. Streetwear enthusiasts often seek out exclusive items. 3. Adidas. Why resell? Particularly the Yeezy line, which has a strong resale value. Collectors and sneakerheads are always on the lookout. Apple. Why resell? High demand for iPhones, MacBooks, and accessories. Refurbished or older models can also sell well. 5. Lululemon. Popular in the athleisure market, especially limited edition or hard to find items. High quality gear retains value. 6. PlayStation. Why resell? Gaming consoles, especially popular models like the PS5, have a strong resale market due to demand and limited supply. 7. The North Face. Why resell? High quality outdoor gear, particularly jackets and backpacks, are sought after for both utility and style. 8. Jordan. Why resell? Air Jordans have a dedicated following and can achieve high resale prices, especially limited releases. 9. Converse. Vintage or limited edition styles, especially collaborations, are popular among collectors and fashion enthusiasts. 10. Lego. Why resell? Sets, especially retired ones, can significantly increase in value over time. The collector market is robust. Tips for reselling these brands. Research trends. Stay updated on which items are currently in demand. Quality checks. Ensure products are authentic and in good condition. Know your market. Understand which platforms are best for selling specific brands. Build relationships. Engage with other resellers and communities to stay informed. By focusing on these brands and following these tips, you can enhance your chances of success in the reselling business.